And in this tutorial I will show you how to make this light up 8 nights, 8 lights menorah display. If you want to see more Hanukkah DIYs like this one, I am uploading 8 Hanukkah DIYs this year in addition to my 12 Christmas DIYs, and I will link all of my playlists from previous years that I've done this in the description below. If you want to see more tutorials like this one on a regular basis, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoy this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen. For this project, you'll need some kind of a wooden surface. This prefab board was at Michael's. You also need a drill with a drill bit, white and silver acrylic paint, battery-operated LED lights, a small paintbrush, and a pencil. Begin by drawing out exactly what you want your board to say and draw your menorah on the center of it. I wrote 8 lights, 8 nights, and then drew the menorah in the center, and once you're happy with the way that looks, begin drilling your holes for your lights. Drill one at the top of where each of your candles would be on the menorah, and since my LED lights had 18 lights on them, I knew I could drill more holes randomly wherever I wanted them around the board. Next, flip over your board and start putting all of your LED lights into the holes at the back. While you're drilling, you'll want to make sure you don't drill your holes too far apart for your lights to reach. You'll also want to make sure that you put these lights in a few at a time before you glue them in place. I find it's helpful to pinch the wires so that the light bulb sticks out, then insert that into the hole and apply a small dab of hot glue over the top. I recommend that you let that hot glue dry before you move on to the next few, and repeat this process until you've done all of the lights. If you try and move on to placing the next few lights before the hot glue is dry, you'll probably pull the glue out of place. Once your hot glue is dry, flip over your board and begin drawing out your menorah and filling in your lettering. I recommend you do this with the white acrylic paint first, give that a little bit of time to dry, and then finish it off with the silver paint on top and add any fun little details you want. And that is your finished project. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Hanukkah DIYs like this one, make sure you check out my 8 DIYs of Hanukkah playlists. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.